deep in the backwoods of North Paris, Texas, there is an inconceivably cool car shop. Let's go inside and investigate further. Here we go. Welcome to Road Odyssey. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. And if you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe. And if you're on Rumble, please follow. Callaway Customs, Paris, Texas, a fantastic hot rod, street car, race car, classics, and customs muscle shop. It may take an engine or two to get these cars hitting the road, but you know what? It takes a fantastic team. Scott, Jason, and Alex. So let's take a walk inside of this wonderful shop in North Paris, Texas, and see what's going on. But first, you know what? Make sure the guard dog doesn't nibble your ankles off. Actually, Maggie's very sweet. Taking a quick look around the shop, it can accommodate about 4 cars comfortably. And there is all kinds of great equipment for them to do everything humanly possible for cars, including a engine test platform and such. So let's say hello to Scott Callaway. Hey, say hello, Scott. Well, I guess Scott's a little too busy working on some of the hood. There is Jason, Scott's son. Pretty cool guy. Really enjoyed. Yeah, hey, Scott, hello there. No, they're really, really funny, and they have fantastic work ethics. Now, there is Alex. Say hello, Alex. Alex, well, yeah, he's trying to concentrate too. Funny thing is, while I was there, they were working. They weren't standing around BSing or anything like that. They worked. Now, Scott is a really avid fisherman. I mean, he fishes like crazy and supports all the local fishing groups. But yeah, he is a serious fisherman. So you'll see a lot of that at the shop, but that does not interrupt the work on the cars, I promise you, very much. Stand back, take a breath, and let's take a look at this fine 67 Firebird restomod. It's a very nice profile. Rear, side exit, exhaust, fantastic wheels, tires, calipers, rotors, door handles. It's got it all. Now the interior is farmed out. This interior is just over the top. Sat in it, super comfortable. Center console was extremely well done. It was a beauty to look at. Let me tell you, an absolute beauty. The dash is very nice, and looking up at the stitching on the dash, yes, that is incredible. So this is high quality here. Nice back end as well. So let's look in the jewel box and see what we have there. Okay, getting back to the shop, off to the side, they've already poured the concrete for an extension to the building. And over here, this is where they're going to move all of their welding and metal work, metal fab. So this is going to be a fantastic extension to the shop where this Hudson and wagon is located. Really cool future coming. Okay, another car example that they're working on is a 56 Ford Thunderbird Black. This is a really fantastic car out of Hugo, and it is just a nominal, very nominal restoration process. They're just getting the engine going and all tuned up, putting in some monitors for voltage and oil pressure. So just trying to do the guy a good job and get it back on the road, operating well, and just, being a fun driver for the weekends. If you have a classic car that needs repair, restoration, modifications, Callaway is the place to go. And I witnessed that just even right here. I happened to be at Callaway while this Mustang was coming in. It needed work. Where do you take it? Do you take it to a quick car or a lube shop? Do you take it to just any automotive shop? No, you want to take a car like this to Callaway Customs or a really nice classic car shop, hot rod shop. That's where these cars need to go, to people who have a deep appreciation for these cars and a depth of knowledge and fantastic work ethic. And that is what you get at Callaway Customs. Now, it is time for me to say goodbye. Pull in all these cars and pack it up, close the door, and say goodbye to Callaway Customs. I had a fantastic time visiting them for a couple of days. They are wonderful people, and they really do work on a very wide range of really cool cars, including their own dragster. So let me end this with showing you customer cars, their dragsters, things like that they have worked on and put into shows. Please relax, take it easy, like and subscribe or follow, and I will see you later. Bye.